Hello everyone, welcome to Dynamic Study. This is the second quiz class on previous year question paper, and this is the second part of the question paper June 2005 paper 2. So let's start. Question number 11. In my previous video we have discussed 10 questions, and now this is question number 11 of the same question paper. Okay. A novel tracking the development of an artist is known as option 1 Bildungsroman, option 2 Erziehungsroman, option 3 Künstlerroman, and option 4 Greco-Roman. The correct option is option number 3 Künstlerroman. Some famous examples of Künstlerroman are David Copperfield, A Portrait of the Artist as a Young Man, etc. Bildungsroman you all know. Now what is Erziehungsroman? Erziehungsroman means a novel describing the development of an individual character. It's a German term, Erziehungsroman. So it talks about the development of one single character, an individual character. And a novel which talks about the development of an artist is called Künstlerroman. Next question. Bhavani Junction 1954 is written by whom? Published in 1954. Option 1 Paul Scott, option 2 John Masters, option 3 Bhavani Bhattacharya, and option 4 Amitav Ghosh. The correct answer is John Masters, option number 2. Bhavani Junction, this is a novel which is famous for portraying Anglo-Indian community who were caught in their loyalties between departing British and Indian population. So it was set during this turbulent time at the end of the British Raj in India, almost at the ending phase. And it mainly talks about the dilemmas of those Anglo-Indian people who were caught in their loyalties between departing British and the majority of the Indian population. Right? Question number 13. Archaeology of Knowledge is written by, this is a theoretical work written by whom? Option 1 Aristotle, option 2 Roland Barthes, option 3 Jean-François Lyotard, and option 4 Michel Foucault. The right answer is option number 4 Michel Foucault. Next question. When I consider how my light is spent, this is an example of which figures of speech? Option 1 synecdoche, option 2 hyperbole, option 3 metonymy, and option 4 pun. The right option is metonymy, option number 3. This is a famous opening line of John Milton's sonnet number 19. This is an example of metonymy. Okay, next question. Who among the following is not a Marxist critic? Option 1 Christopher Caldwell, option 2 Raymond Williams, option 3 Terry Eagleton, and option 4 Victor Shklovsky. Who is not a Marxist critic? What is the correct answer? The correct answer is option number 4 Victor Shklovsky. Victor Shklovsky is associated with Russian formalism. Okay. Next question. In an essay of dramatic poesy, the views of John Dryden are expressed by which character? Option 1 Keats, option 2 Eugenides, option 3 Neander, and option 4 Lycidius. The correct answer is option number 3, Neander. The views of Dryden are expressed by Neander. Question number 17. Stephen Greenblatt is associated with which critical concepts? Option number 1, texture and structure. Option number 2, base and superstructure. Option 3, intension and extension. And option 4, resonance and wonder. Stephen Greenblatt is a new historicist critic, and he is associated with resonance and wonder. Option number 4 is the correct answer. Right? Next question. Velutha the Untouchable appears in which novel? Option 1, The God of Small Things. Option 2, Coolie. Option 3, Untouchable. And option 4, In Custody. The right answer is God of Small Things, option number 1, written by Arundhati Roy. Next, who is the founder of the Chicago School of Criticism? Option 1, C.K. Ogden. Option 2, R.P. Blackmore. Option 3, R.S. Crane. And option 4, Cleanth Brooks. Chicago School of Criticism is founded by R.S. Crane, option number 3. Okay. Question number 20. Uncle Toby appears in which novel? Option 1, Tom Jones. Option 2, All My Sons. Option 3, Uncle Tom's Cabin. And option 4, Tristram Shandy. Tom Jones is by Henry Fielding. All My Sons is a play written by Arthur Miller. Uncle Tom's Cabin by Harriet Beecher Stowe, and Tristram Shandy by Lawrence Stern. In which of these works Uncle Toby appears as a character? The right answer is Tristram Shandy, option number 4. So that is the end of today's quiz class. From question number 21 I will talk about in next video. So thank you very much. Keep on watching Dynamic Study. Keep on learning. Please put your views in the comment section. Also subscribe to the channel. Like this video. Share this video with your friends. We will meet very soon in our next class. Have a nice day. Bye bye.